Yeah! The strawberries of truth! Okay. Which one do you think is clean? Would you drink this if I gave this to you? So if the answer is no, that you wouldn't want to drink this, then would you want to eat this if it was on your strawberries? Timmy, does that strawberry taste good?
Yeah.
So Cheri, it's good? So Cheri, we've been washing our strawberries now for a few years with Kangen water.
Yep.
And what have you noticed before when we weren't washing our strawberries with Kangen water, and now what do you notice now since we've been washing with Kangen water?
Well, before we...
Yeah! The strawberries of truth! This is Tim McGaffin II. We got a great deal on a bunch of strawberries, and we call them the strawberries of truth because when you are eating strawberries, you're eating something else that's on top of the strawberries. So you're not just eating strawberries, you're eating something else that's on top of the strawberries, and we're going to show you what else you're eating when we wash these right now, and you're going to see what comes off of them. So stay tuned. All right, so on the right, I'm going to put in 2 packages of strawberries, and then we're going to put tap water on top of these. So this is tap water. So we're going to pour the tap water on top of these 2 packages of strawberries. Okay. Then we're going to put 2 in this bowl. And this is, each package is 1 pound of strawberries, so there's 2 pounds in each bowl. And this is the 11, in this big giant bowl is 11.5 strong Kangen water. So we're gonna, because I'm gonna wash all those strawberries of truth, but right now I'm just gonna show a comparison. So we will let, this is tap water right here. This is 11.5 strong Kangen water. We're gonna let these soak for a number of minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll show you the difference. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes that they have been soaking in here. So I'm gonna take the ones in the tap water out here. I'm gonna put them in the strainer, the drainer colander here behind it. So this is the tap water after 15 minutes. Okay. And then this is the 11.5 strong Kangen water after 15 minutes. Let me get both hands here. Make it go a little faster. Okay. Okay, do you see the difference there? Look at the difference in color between the 2. So let's see a close-up of that here. Okay, so let's get up close. And we're totally live right now. So look at the difference between the 2. The one on the left is tap water. So this is tap water. And this was the 11.5 strong Kangen water. Do you see a difference there? So the 11.5 strong Kangen water is proven in a scientific study to remove pesticides. It has been proven scientifically. And on top of that, when you taste the strawberries, when they have been washed, they taste so much better. They are so much sweeter. You taste the strawberry flavor. So before we washed our strawberries, I would taste like a tangy flavor, and I thought that was part of the strawberry, but I didn't taste that tangy flavor anymore after we washed them. After we washed them, they were sweet, they were robust. The strawberry flavor was coming out so much stronger, and that tangy flavor was gone. And so I realized that tangy flavor was the chemicals, the toxins. Pesticides, strawberries is one of the things that is sprayed with pesticides the most. When you look at the list of the top foods that have the most pesticides, strawberries is one of the most. So look at the difference between the 2. And so strawberries are gonna bleed because they're a porous fruit. So you're gonna see some color in the tap water. But you can see the color here is much different. So if there's any toxins or pesticides on your strawberries, the 11.5 is going to take them off. As you can see here, there's obviously a difference. Which one do you think is clean? So here's my Kangen water machine up close, the SD501. And to make the water that cleans the pesticides or the toxins off your fruit and vegetables, you push this button here, the strong acidic water button.
Strong acidic water.
But the water is not acidic when you put it on the strawberries. When you push this button, it's making two types of water. It's going to make 11.5 pH strong Kangen water out the top hose here, and then out the bottom hose comes out 2.5 pH hypochlorous acid. And if you do a search on this video platform for Water of Champions, you'll find my full-length Kangen water movie. So there you can see some clips of it on the upper left-hand corner of your screen right now. But do a search for Water of Champions, Timothy McGaffin II, and you'll see my full-length movie. And I'll go into detail on making these waters and explain it in more detail. The strawberries of truth. Look at them, they're all in there getting cleaned off, getting all the toxins off. I cannot wait to eat all these strawberries. So there you have it. This is what it looks like after we wash off all those strawberries. Can you see the truth? So if I offered you a glass of this to drink, and I gave you this to drink, do you think that you would drink this? Would you drink this if I gave this to you? So if the answer is no, that you wouldn't want to drink this, then would you want to eat this if it was on your strawberries? Okay, so you guys just barely saw the strawberries of truth get washed, and now I'm here with Cheri, my wife, Clarissa Abigail, and Timmy John III. And God has blessed us with a mind, a brain, so we can think and have critical thinking skills, and also with 5 senses. So the highest authority, if pesticides came off these strawberries or not, is our own experience. So right now we have one of these containers here that Timmy's holding of the strawberries that we washed. And let's go ahead and taste these and see how they taste.
All right.
So here's one for you, Cheri.
Thank you.
Okay, Timmy, you want a big strawberry?
Yeah.
How about this one?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get one too. Let's see how they taste, Timmy.
Really good.
See, Clarissa wants one too. Mmm. Timmy, does that strawberry taste good? Mmm.
Yeah.
So Cheri, it's good?
Yeah.
So Cheri, we've been washing our strawberries now for a few years with Kangen water.
Yep.
And what have you noticed before when we weren't washing our strawberries with Kangen water, and now what do you notice now since we've been washing with Kangen water?
Well, before we had our Kangen water machine and we weren't washing them in the 11.5, I noticed that when you would eat the strawberries, it kind of would bite back when you would eat it. It was kind of like a tangy flavor. And now that we wash our strawberries in the 11.5, you don't have that tangy bite back taste. It just tastes really fresh and sweet and so much better. You can notice such a difference, and it's just so much better. I enjoy it so much more.
Yeah, that's amazing, Cheri. And like I said earlier, I tasted like a tanginess on the strawberry, which I thought was part of the strawberry, but after we washed them, that tanginess went away, and I could taste the full sweet flavor of the strawberries, much more robust. And I realized that tanginess was not part of the strawberry. That was actually the chemicals that they sprayed on the strawberries.
Right, yeah.
So, Timmy, you want another strawberry?
Is that really good?
You want this one? Here, I'll take your green things here. Here.
This one?
Yep, let me take that one. Okay, you take that one, Timmy. You want some, Clarissa Abigail? I know you do, but you're too small still. Okay, you guys. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Remember the strawberries of truth.
Yes, strawberries true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have fun with strawberry. Bye.
Crackle Pop is highly antioxidant. That's what you want to be drinking. This is the good, healthy alkaline water. This is not the bad alkaline water, but the good. So now, poison in a bottle. Keep your eye on this light bulb. Dead water. Okay, I'll put it back into the Kangen water over here. Living water. So it's the same tea bag, but now it's different water. It's the Kangen water. Woohoo! We're gonna drain this one out. The greatest thing you can do in your life is to get back up when you get knocked down. Champions never quit.